Hello, Programming 12. We are back with making our 3D sketches. So where we left off was we were creating this 3D space. We made our camera and stuff when we were in person. And then we are now creating a 3D environment. And we based it on PNG, a two-dimensional PNG, the floor plan, if you will. I put mine up there. Maybe you've modified yours and made some changes. Here's my map.png. I won't open it, but it's a picture, and we're reading the pixels to generate the space. It's like a floor plan, basically, a top-down view of where the walls and such will be. The different colored pixels right now we're using to sort of represent different colored of boxes, but later on we can change that to textures and some other information as well. So here's what we got so far. We're rendering that floor plan into this type of space. I got rid of my green column for no reason. So this is okay, it's nice, but it's far from what we would like. Like if you showed this to people, they'd be like, you made this ugly, it's so much work to get to this point, but it's still pretty ugly. So we can improve on this a lot. And there's going to be a bunch of small changes that will get us there. And so I'm going to do this over a series of a few videos because each change will be sort of separate from other changes. But the combination of all these various improvements will result in this. I'm going to show you what we'll try to create by the end of our this set of videos. It won't be the end of the project, but it will be what gets you to textures. We're going to shake around a bit so we can see that this is looking a lot better. We have some lighting for one, and we're using, I guess, fairly high res. I mean, it's Minecraft, but like compared to what we were using before, reasonable resolution stuff. It kind of looks like the stronghold, I guess, from Minecraft is what I was going for. And yeah, it's pretty good. It's not involving any collision, so I can burst right through the wall. I can look back and see the structure that I've created in space here, and I can kind of wander around. So this is going to be sort of what we're going to create. Obviously, we're going to be using the code from our textured boxes. So you're going to want to make sure you have that code ready to go. And we're going to copy and paste it over, and we're going to start using it. One of the big things that is going to be different about these textured stuff is that we've designed the boxes in such a way to line up with our grid better. So, for example, if I go back to the old project, the one you currently have, the boxes, their center coordinate was where you translate it to. You have to translate to their center, and then you're good to go. And you can sort of see that if you look at like where a box falls. You see how it's sort of in the middle of the grid, like its center of that long box is it crosses the grid, so to speak. So that's not going to happen with our textured cubes because we originally designed them to have their corner as one of the vertexes, so they'll fit into that grid nicer. So, just as an example of one of the many things that are going to change. So this is sort of an intro video to show you what we're going to try to accomplish. I'm going to stop it here, and then we're going to start in the next video, and we'll take a look at how do you bring in the textured cubes into our project. So that's the first step, is just bringing it in. So thanks so much, everybody. We'll see you in a bit in the next video.